So what we're gonna do, if we're gonna share a link how to remove this panel out, this radio. So there's a screw right here, and there's two up here. So you can take that screw by popping this little piece aux out. There should be behind it, the screw, and then you're gonna need to take this 7mm, full 7mm out so you can reach the back of the stereos, and gently pull that out, and then you'll see all this right there. I'm gonna show you later. It's easier. Actually, I can show you right here. Push or press, and then move it left and right, left and right. It should come out. All of them are basically like that, except the antenna I will show you. For the antenna, press and pull. Press and pull. Oh, my focus. There's a little piece right there. It's better to use a flathead and do that. And for the antenna, a lot of people just grab this out like this. You're gonna break them. Take a plier or some sort of, if you got a strong finger, just grab this and pull it out. And now we're gonna go to the aftermarket, which is these right here. Oh, I forgot. You need to get the old stereo back here. The plates. So we're gonna have to remove some of these out here to put it on here. So trying to make sure there's nothing underneath the screen. So we're gonna have to we're gonna flip it upside down like so, but make sure there's nothing underneath there, like metal screws, anything like that can damage the screen. So you're gonna have to take out all of these right there. This is probably a T8 or T8 or something. Yes, you can get here. I can link that below to get the T8. So basically, just remove all of these. Oh, there's a lot of these. My God. You're gonna have to take all of them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you're gonna have to take all 12 of them. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, take 12 of them out. Now, after you got all the screw and put it right in here, and then tighten the screw back. So I got all of them back in. If you're looking at over here, they're missing a bunch of them right here. Well, actually not. You got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 2, 4, 6, 8. Yep, 12. That's right. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove this clip out, this metal clip. Take a flathead and do it on, well, take a flathead out like so. And then press it open. Make sure it's gonna fly up. It might hit your face, so wear goggles if you. Oh, I got one extra one somehow. Oh, right here. But anyway, let's practice on getting this clip, and then we're gonna have to put this piece gonna be like that, I think. Yeah, there's no instruction, guys, so it's kind of, I don't know if it's like this. Yeah, it's like this. There's a screw that came with it. They should have left and right. Left, see, they put left. So left is over here. So we might have to break that piece. That can't be. I'm gonna have to take a look at that more to it, because they might fit on a different vehicle. We don't have to take this out. Yes, you do. This gonna come over here, and let's get this clip out first. This part, to get it out, all you do is hold this right here and grab a hammer or something. I use this right here, and I just smack it down hard, and then it should come off like that. You don't have to play with this thing right here. A lot of time you have to get it out, but you don't have to. Just make sure when you put it back in, you make sure you align this. See this groove right here? You put it, see that right there? Right here. And then you just shove it in. Right there. Basically right here, what you do, you take a flathead and pry it in, pry it down right there. So this clip will coming down, and then you can use your hand and push it out. All right, right here, you want to do, you just, after you got it out, just slide it in here, and it's going to snap in there. You can see right here. See, it's going to go. Hey, did I do it right? Yeah, you push it in, and then it's going to lock it in. Yep, it's going to stay like so. And then you got this one. These are, not sure what that is. That's the first one I've seen on a Ford. So now I'm going to take all them clips. Where the heck this clips at? All them clips and push it in. Here, once you get it in a little bit, you can tap it in. Make sure you don't break the screen, guys. But yeah, that's how you do it. You push, you tap it all the way in, but kind of lift it so you don't damage the screen. Well, you can't because it's got that groove. Right there. So here you got left and right. So this is left, this is right, because you flip it over, don't forget. And then you're gonna align this and put the 4 screws that came with it. There's 2 on each side. This little one, don't use this long one. I think this long one is a little bit longer. You see that? So use the short one. So now what you're gonna do, you're gonna put the Bluetooth up here by removing this rubber. Oh, usually you just grab them and pull them. You might have to take a flathead and grab them. Usually I, right here. Yep. It'll come out off that easy. And then you run this Bluetooth from there all the way underneath there to the stereos. Now for this USB right here, I'm gonna run the USB down here. Just poke it through right there. You see a hole out there. If you have a light, you can see it. And then you just grab your other hand and grab it out. All right, basically, so we got this. We're gonna plug it in, the main plug. So right here, you plug it in like so.
Yeah, she's pretty awesome.
Like that. And then you got this. This is for a charger. It's kind of new to me, but it is. So right here, you're gonna plug in there right here. This is a USB for the phone charger. You just plug the male in there and you're good. This is factory. This is factory, and then this is factory plug. Now you're gonna plug these main jacks right there. This is for the Bluetooth going out here. And then now you got this 2 wire. This is for the screen display. Plug it in here. Now you got the video camera backup video. Just make sure you got on the right side right there. And then you got the antenna, GPS antenna. See, it's pretty simple. It's plug and play. And then there's 2 that I showed you earlier about how I ran it to the bottom. You can do it like right there, and I keep it anywhere. And then this antenna, just plug on here. Pick up my phone real quick. So now you got a 10 plug right there. You want to hook up the camera. You want to go oh shit, I forgot which one is positive and negative. I think it's not gonna matter because it's positive and negative. You got a white, green is positive, and then purple and brown is negative. basically you got 3 and 8. Okay, so you count it 1, 2, 3. It'll tell you the number right there. It's hard to see, but yeah. Plug the jack like so right there to it. Right there, you can strip it and plug it. I use a T-tap. Now you're gonna plug all this plug in. It's plug and play, guys. I'm not gonna show you anything on the plug and play. And now you plug this jack right here to the pin right there, the first pin, but the red one, it does got a 12-volt output to the camera, so that one maybe you can press that button, it turn on the backup camera all the time. Now I'm gonna plug this 6-pin plug right there that I ran to the bottom right there, right here, and over here. So plug it in. We choose those guys in the back. They talk about politics, but they are my friends, so they can talk whatever they want. So I'm plugging that in right there, and then the jack's already plugged. The antenna is gonna be going to just this antenna. You can just zip right there. Take this red piece off and stick to underwear, or leave it bent in the back. Nothing gonna happen. And then you got this right here. Whoop, is that antenna? Nope, that ain't no antenna. This is antenna. So you just plug this to here. If you want the radio station to work, it came with everything, so hey, I can't do it one hand. Alright, so I tried to figure out everything. There was no sound, and I was unplugged, plugged the radio back. I got radio to come back on. It's crazy. According to this, there's a 10-pin connector, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You put a tap onto a certain thing, it doesn't work. So what I've done, I look at it. This is a remote wire right there. This remote wire, this brown wire right there, actually it makes sense, but I wasn't thinking about that. Amp control turn on. So this is the amp control turn on. It's basically turn on the amp at 12 volt. And what you do, you want to tap this amp control turn on to this piece to get sound. This is amp turn on. So I still got no sound, right? Oh no, I got sound now with that. It's automatic turn on the amp by going to the 00 code. Actually, you click this on right there, go to setting, and you go to call setting. You go to sound. No, that's not it. You go factory 0000 6 times. Click on. And then pull it down until you hit the where is that external device, Bluetooth, EQ, display on radio, reverse, audio amp. See, so that's it right there. So see, so it's turned on itself right there. That's how you do it. And thanks for watching. And this is all I can show you because I was struggle with the sound.